Yes, very good morning, students. So now take out your EVS book and open the chapter Clothes We Wear. So today we will revise exercises of chapter 5 Clothes We Wear. So now exercise A is fill in the blanks. Use words given in the box. First one is clothes dash keep our body. Clothes dash our body. So clothes cover our body. So spelling of cover is COVER, cover. Second is we use dash to make sweaters. We use dash to make sweaters. Yes, we use wool, WOOL, wool to make sweaters. And third one is cotton clothes keep us cool, COOL. Fourth one is during dash we wear woolen clothes. During winter, so spelling of winter is WINTER, winter. During winter we wear woolen clothes. Fifth one is we wear dash to keep our feet dry. We wear gumboot, right? GUMBOOTS, gumboots. So complete the flow chart about the clothes we wear in different season. So season, right? Season. There are three types of seasons: summer, rainy and winter. Summer, rainy and winter. Summer, rainy and winter. Summer, rainy and winter. There are three types of season: summer, rainy and winter. So we wear first one is given frock. Second one is blank. And third one is, here we write top and tunic, TUNIC, tunic. And rainy season, in rainy season we wear gumboots and raincoat. RAIN, COAT, coat, raincoat. And gumboots, GUMBOOTS, gumboots. And now winter season. Now in winter season in winter season muffler is already given, and sweater, 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 and gloves or caps, cap, CAP, cap. Okay, yes. Exercise C is mark true for a correct statement and false for an incorrect statement. So statement 1 is cotton clothes keep us warm. True or false? This is statement false. Incorrect statement. So cotton clothes keep us cool, not warm, right? So this is incorrect statement. Yes. Second statement is we wear sweater when it rains so that we do not get wet. This is false. We wear a raincoat when it rains so that we do not get wet. So this is false or incorrect statement. And statement third is people who do the same kind of work wear uniform. Yes, very true. And fourth one is we get wool from the wool plant. False. Right? Yes. So fifth is leather is used to make jackets, belt and shoes. Yes, true. Leather is used to make jackets, belt and shoes. Yes. So revise exercises of chapter 5, clothes we wear. Okay. Thank you so much class and have a nice day.